Hi everyone, welcome back to another session. This is Priyankar, your trainer for the entire tech series. Today I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel as a tool to extract data from web. Believe me, Excel has the ability to extract data from website for a long time ago, at least since Excel 2003, but most of us did not use it. Anyway, without wasting much time, let's see the today's lesson. For this video, I am using the latest version of Excel, so there may be a slight difference with your versions. The first thing we are going to do is find the specific web pages from the web. For this example, I use the search text keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Once on that page, copy its URL. Now open Excel and start a new workbook. Save the workbook as Office Shortcuts or what the name preferred by you. Once the workbook is saved, click on the Data tab. In the ribbon of the Data tab, click on New Query. Select from other sources from the drop-down menu and point the From Web option from the submenu. From Web window will open. This is where we put the web address or URL of the website. From which we want to scrape data. Now Excel will attempt to connect to the website. This may take a few seconds. You see a progress window. If it does, the navigator window will be open and we will see a list of tables from the website on the left. Then we select one and see the table preview on the right. Let's select the frequently used shortcut table. Now we click on the load button at the top of this window, so it will load to the Excel. See how easy to copy data from the web to Excel, especially table data. In table data which might not copy it properly, if we select them and use copy paste option.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.